Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 11.2 question number 8. Triangle ABC is isosceles with AB equal to AC is equal to 7.5 centimeter and BC is equal to 9 centimeter. Figure 11.26. The height AD from A to BC is 6 centimeter. Find the area of triangle ABC. What will the height from C to AB? That is, you have to find the length of C. Let us find. Here you see that in this triangle, that is in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, we find that this is the base. That is, base BC is given as base BC is equal to 9 centimeter. And since this is 90 degree, that means AD is the height, or you can say height is also given. Height AD is also given, and that is given as 6 centimeter. This is AD, right? And we know that area of the triangle ABC, area of a triangle, we know that area of a triangle is equal to area of a triangle is equal to half base into height. Half into base into height. Right? Therefore, we are getting that half into base. What is the base here? Base is 9. And what is the height? Height is 6. And this is an area, the unit will be centimeter square. 2, 3 is 6, or 3 9 is 27 centimeter square. 27 centimeter square. Right? Now we'll find in triangle this. In triangle CAB. In triangle CAB. In triangle CAB, we find that if we take base AB as base, that base AB is given as 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter. And here you see this is 90 degree. That means CE is the height of this triangle from this side. Right? That is height. Height CE. Height is equal to CE. And we know that area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. Therefore, you can write that half into base into height. Half into base into height is equal to area of the triangle. And we found that the area of the triangle is 27 centimeter square. Therefore, we can write it here as 27. Right? Now half. What is the base? Base is AB, and that is 7.5. 7.5 into height. And what is height? Height is CE into CE is equal to 27. If we find the value of CE is equal to 27 into 2 by 7.5. You see, that is 27 into 2 by 7.5. Right? If we change into fraction, then you are getting that this is 27 into 2, and this is 7.5 means 75 by 10, and if we take 10 into here, that is 10, right? Now if you divide by 5, that is 5 to the 10, and this is 5. 5 is 5, 6 and 2 and 5 are 25, 15, right? Now we are getting divided by 3. 3 5 is 15, and 3 9 is 27, right? 9 to 18, 18 to 36, that is 36 by 5. 36 by 5. If we divide 36 by 5, then we will get 5. 5 7 is 35. 5 7 is 35. 35. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. If you write point, then it will be 0, and 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. That means we are getting 7.2. That is C is equal to 7.2. 7.2 centimeter. Right? Therefore, you can write that the length of C. Therefore, you can write that the length of CE is equal to 7.2 centimeter, is equal to 7.2 is equal to 7.2 centimeter. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.